Thank you for choosing MQ. Let's take a look at an overview of a chilled water system. Chilled water is a commodity often used to cool a building's air and equipment. This equipment can either be an air handling unit (AHU), a fan coil unit (FCU), or any other air conditioning equipment. The chilled water absorbs heat from the air that goes through the air conditioning equipment and is then sent via return lines to a chiller evaporator. Let's take a look of the heat exchange process inside the chiller. In any type of heat exchangers, the heat is transferred from the hot fluid to the cold fluid. Therefore, in a chiller evaporator, which is essentially a shell and tube heat exchangers, the hot fluid, in this case, is the chilled water returned from the air conditioner, will transfer the heat to the refrigerant gas, which is the cold fluid. This is a closed loop, which means the hot fluid and the cold fluid would not mix, and only heat is transferred between them. The same process is applied to the condenser side, but this time the refrigerant acts as hot fluid, and the cold fluid is the condenser water from the cooling tower. Let's take a look at the cooling tower. The cooling tower is another type of heat exchanger. Warm water, hot fluid from the chiller, is pumped back to the cooling tower, where it is evenly dispersed through the spray nozzles over the tower packing or infills. The extractor fan and the side louvers allow the hot water vapor to be expelled to the atmosphere. Cold water is collected in a large basin and is pumped back to the chiller condenser. Thank you for your time.